Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is a Topstep Express funded account. So here we are already in Topstep and we are in their help desk. So here there's Express funded account parameters for you guys and just basically the same thing. So here the Express funded account is sometimes referred to as the XFA and it's simulated as a funded level account trading where you can earn passive trading combine after you've passed your trading combine, of course, and completed the necessary steps, and you can start taking payouts. So basically, people are allowed to have 5 Express funded accounts active at the same time, and you can take a look at the details right here. So let's just check it out. So here you're allowed to have 5 funded or Express funded accounts simultaneously if you earn additional funding while already having 5 active Express funding accounts. So these new accounts will remain pending until you close one of your existing Express funding accounts. So here, as you can see, you can request payouts in multiple Express funded accounts. So basically what this is just just a little smaller account for your funded account. Thus the name Express funded account information. So from there, as you can see, we can see in top step right here that here you can get evaluated within 2 days minimum with your trading skills evaluated by managing risk and profitability. So it's just a smaller account with just less profitability or less capital available to you in your funded account, and it's just that simple. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.